authorities have an advice to those looking for house helpers. They want them to be extra careful in accepting applicants. Let's find out why from Alvin Baltazar.
To those who are looking for house helpers, be on alert the moment you see this person knocking right before your doorstep. This lady, according to the PNP QCPD, has been their subject these past few days for being the suspect in several looting incidents in Quezon City, who at first will be pretending as house helper. One of her victims was identified as alias Angela, who accepted the suspect to be her helper after has applied just recently.
Nakita daw po niya dun sa ads namin yung aking, daw po ako ng kasambahay. Then, nagkaroon daw po siya ng interest kasi meron na kaagad akong kasambahay bill kahit hindi pa to totally ini-implement na okay na. Plus, meron pa daw akong 13-month na ibibigay just in case na maging okay.
After almost 2 weeks of surveillance and staying at alias Angela's house, the suspect staged her plan and was able to take away around 80,000 pesos worth of Angela's belongings.
So, ang ginawa niya, yung laptop bag ko rito, tinanggal niya, tapos ipinasok niya dun sa Oakley bag na kung saan nandun din yung laptop ng asawa ko.
Based on the record of QCPD Station 3, the suspect's modus is to change her name every time she applies from one house to another with a fake NBI clearance. The suspect reportedly used Marivic Villanueva in the area of Project 8 in Quezon City, where she victimized at least 2 households and that used an alias Rosalie in the area of Cubao.
Ang pakilala niya rin, ito yung ginamit niyang pangalan nun, no, yung Marivic Villanueva. Yung same picture, kaya lang, ang pangalan na ginamit niya, iba sa Rosalie ang ginamit niya dito eh. Rosalie Calda E. Pinpin. Pero ang alias talaga nito si Marivic Villanueva.
Authorities advise screen applicants thoroughly, including the clearances they are presenting.
I-double check natin to, yung authenticity nito kasi alam mo naman, masyado na, ang technology natin ngayon, masyado nang magaling, kayang kopyahin ng lahat.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.